Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Wordtune. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wordtune.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wordtune website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on Get Started at the top right corner. This will now take you into the sign up page. You can either use your Google, your Apple or Facebook account, and you can also use your email address. If you choose your email, just type in your preferred email address and tap on the continue button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So just log into your Google account that you just used. And now, once you open up your email, you will see the sign in to Wordtune option. Go ahead and tap on this. And now this will open up your Wordtune account right away. You will be asked to answer a few questions, which you can proceed with answering in order to customize your Wordtune. You can also click on the skip button at the bottom right corner if you wish to skip this for now. Finally, you will be successfully logged in and signed up. After answering the questions or skipping them, you will be taken into your dashboard and now your account has successfully been created. You can now start writing using the Wordtune writing assistant. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Wordtune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.